In this part of the tutorial, I shared my top 5 websites where I find freely available, copyright-free images and videos for my content. And I believe that you will enjoy them and you can use them for your content as well. So without taking much of our time, let's get started. The first website on my list is the Pixabay. Pixabay is a very fantastic website that you can find freely available pictures, free to use, and free of copyright issues. You can reuse, you can share it with anybody. This website contains over 2.3 million high quality pictures that you can download and use for yourself. You could go based on pictures, you can check on videos, you can check music, all are stored here, and they are all free and reusable. So to search for any particular image, you can just come here and maybe let's say you can search for something that has to do with research, and you can see a bunch of them. You can just select any one you want and you can apply to your website or to your blog or to your YouTube or to your B-roll in the video editing. So for example, we can check on this, and once you are satisfied with the image, it sends in the right message for you. All you need to do is just to make sure that you are registered with your email. You just log in with your email and you can freely download and use any kind of picture that you want. For example, this one, you just click on the free download, you select the size you want, and then you click on download, and then that's all. You have it here. You can see the picture, you can see the quality of it, you can zoom in to see what kind of image you are talking about. The quality is extremely high and you can use it on any of your content. The next website on my list is the Unsplash. Unsplash also is the internet source of freely usable images that you can use anywhere. They are copyright free. They are trending photos that you can find and use. Okay, you can search from based on the categories here, or you can just search on your own. What kind of image are you looking for? Are you looking for something like school? So you can search and you see a lot of things that have to do with school. And once you select any particular one, will come over here and click on download. And this one also will give you the option to select what size are you looking for. You can go for small, medium, and large size. And usually you have the original size, which is the biggest one, and usually have the highest quality, though it takes the highest size as well. You can go for the original size. I always go for the original size, except when I'm working on my blog, which usually I take the smaller images because they take smaller sizes on the web. You can just by clicking, you have it downloaded for yourself. You can check the quality of the image, also pretty good, and it's exceptionally good. So you can just search based on your content. You will have free images available for you. You can go by trending topics, you can go by trending searches. Okay, this is what people are searching around, so you can just have a look and see what you can bring in. If it's something that interests you, you can always bring it on board. The next website that I have, Videezy.com. Videezy is a very interesting website that gives you a lot of free HD stock footage of videos that you can see. Sometimes you see a lot of people using B-rolls in their videos. You don't know where they are getting them. This is where you get them. They are freely available. You can just customize to your liking. Like for example, this one, you can see it's just a very simple video. So maybe while you're explaining your concept, you just bring in this into your content, and very easily you can have it for yourself. It can help you to demonstrate a particular concept or idea that you are trying to teach. All you need to do is to click on download here and you download it very easily. So many more. Maybe you want to portray a case when you are thinking, or something is kind of not going too easy at work. You can just come here and just put in this one. You can put it as part of your B-roll or in your video. So you can search also according to what you want. You can search someone smiling, so you can search just accordingly. Anyone, maybe you want to put in someone very happy, and you can see with this is very nice. You can put in your B-roll, someone is happy because maybe they bought him a bicycle or something. So it's really kind of easy. And once you are satisfied with what kind of video that you have, you just click on this free download, and that's all. You have it here downloaded. You also have stocks of photos that you can use. Videezy also, they have another website they call Videezy. This one is full of photos that you can just use for yourself, freely available photos. You can search also according to whatever concept that you have. You can search reading science or anything. Very good quality pictures, free of copyright, that you can just pick anyone and you can just download according to your liking. You just download just like that. Okay, the next website that I have is Pixels. Pixels is also very fantastic in terms of content. The video, the images are extremely very nice, and you can download and use for your content. Anytime you look for the pictures in some of the other websites and you're not maybe satisfied with it, you can always come to Pixels and you can check according to what you have. Maybe let's say something like art, and you can just search. You see so many pictures that are freely available and they are copyright free. You can use, you can reshare with anybody, and they're free. This one also, all you need to do is to come over here, specify the size, and then you download the picture just like that, and you have it downloaded here. It's as easy as that. The last website that I have for us that contains freely available reshareable content is the Clean PNG. Clean PNG come into my list because I like the fact that all their pictures are without background. You can easily use them, reuse them anywhere because they don't have background. You can just download and use it on any kind of coloration or any kind of background because they came without background. So maybe you want to search for any, maybe you can search something like YouTube, right? And you can see the kind of images it is bringing, and you are free to just pick on anyone. The most interesting part of it is that it has no background, so you can just download and just use just like that. So once you are satisfied with this image, you want to go for this image, you can come down here and click on free download. You can see the trending images down here. You can see a lot more. And once you click, it's there for you. Just download it. And this one has no background. You can put it on any background in your design, in your content. Based on anything you want to pick, you can pick this guy enjoying his newspaper. And once you are okay with it and you feel like it's going to work on your content, you just come over here and download. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And remember to hit the like and subscribe button to stay connected to this channel for more of our useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.